Welcome to Season 3 of Conscious Conversations, where we aim to inspire deep and meaningful interactions that grow into a community of practice that is committed to healing, resilience, and expansion.
We hold on to the truth of who we really are. See, I'm a preacher, so you really don't want me to start. I'll start running around the room and start. Okay, when we hold on to the truth of who we are and whose we really are, then all things are possible. It ain't just hyperbole, it's true.
I love that so much.